Hi, and welcome back to Module 6 of the HSC course, which is Acids and Bases. Today we are looking at the applications of neutralisation in everyday life and also those that might occur in the environment and industry. So neutralisation are an important part of many processes in everyday life as well as those in the environment and in industry. The first one we're going to look at today is neutralisation within our cells. Now, many of you are quite familiar that we have stomach acid, which is a concentrated form of HCl. So that HCl is there to aid the digestion process and also to kill off any microorganisms that we may ingest. But sometimes that acid, we might overproduce some of that acid, or we may even have problems with the sphincter within our digestive system that enables that acid to reflux. Now, with that, we have got that acid. We need to neutralize that acid. So many of you, again, are quite familiar with antacids in the form of Mylanta, Gaviscon, and all of those sort of things. And they are an alkaline substance that is used then to neutralize that acid. Many of them are magnesium hydroxide or aluminium hydroxide, and some may even be, like a quickies, a calcium carbonate as its active ingredient. We also have neutralization taking place with our toothpastes. Within our mouths, we produce acids. Again, in that mouth environment, you might have heard many toothpaste ads talking about chewing and reducing the acidity of our mouth. Now, that's what our toothpastes are doing. Our toothpastes are alkaline, and it's aimed there to neutralize the acids that may be within our mouth to prevent our teeth from rotting. Now, neutralization actually also occurs in our industry. Some plants actually prefer and thrive in more acidic soils than others, and some actually thrive in a more basic soil. A hydrangea, however, will actually change colour. It's almost like a natural indicator. It will have a different coloured flower depending on whether it's in an acidic soil or whether it's in a basic soil. So if farmers or households are wanting a different colour flower, they may add substances to the soil to change the acidity so that they have a different coloured flower on their plant. Some plants, such as blueberries, actually prefer a more acidic soil. And if the soil is too basic, they will then add substances to that to improve or increase the acidity. Other plants also prefer a basic soil. So again, if they need to make that more basic, they will then add things such as lime, which is calcium hydroxide, to the soil. If they want it more basic, they will add that if it's too acidic, or they will add gypsum if they want to increase the acidity. So there's a variety of things going on. Neutralization is also used in many processes within industry to neutralize any of the waste products that has been produced in the manufacture of their products. So what we're going to do in class is we're actually going to investigate one of these, neutralization in our body, and also an industrial process in just a little bit more detail.